How to replace a Human Touch Novo XT Pro Plus back cover. You will need a Phillips head screwdriver to complete this procedure. Be sure to save all removed parts for reassembly. To get started, power off the chair, then unplug it. Using a Phillips head screwdriver, remove the 6 screws that secure the back cover, then remove the cover. Now, let's replace it. Note the 2 largest tabs on the bottom of the back cover and the corresponding slots on the chair. Slide the tabs into the slots, raise the back cover, then lower the cover slightly to confirm that the tabs are installed in the slots. Raise the back cover into position, then replace and partially tighten the 6 screws. Finish tightening the screws. Finally, plug in the chair, power it on, and you're done.